Hey, what's up beautiful people, me Hassan Beast and I'm back with another video. So in this video I will show you how to get the old man filter or old man effect, whatever you call it. So what you want to do is, if you are using Android or iOS, open App Store or Play Store and then search for Face app. So this is the Face app which we have to download. So after you have installed the Face app, open it and then you have to select any of your picture. So down you can see age, click it and there are two options, old and cool old. So click it. So this is old and this is cool old. So these are the old man effects, and on Face app there are many more cool effects which you can use, like beards, hair colors, hairstyles and glasses. So after you have selected the effect, click on apply and then you can save it. So this was it. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.